All right, well, this is much more like Minnesota in December, January. Oh, wait, this is actually March 24th. No snow all year long. You can go back and look at our last video and see that everything was just brown here about a week ago. And now we got 8 inches of snow here in the last 2 days, and it's still snowing. But I guess it is Minnesota. It's just crazy this year how it's been. We need the moisture and stuff, so the snow will definitely help with that. But it's just crazy this time of year when we get this much snow. The cows don't seem to mind it though.